Hello, what's up guys? For today's video, I will be showing you how to improve your mic quality on Discord. Basically, we can check different ways on why your mic is doing a poor quality in Discord. So it's important to follow the different steps in order to address your specific concern on your mic quality. So first thing, of course, you want to try to doing is to first check if your built-in microphone or your audio on your device or your PC or Mac is working. In order to do that, go to System Preferences, or if you're on Windows, kindly check Settings under Settings Sounds, and then once it pops out, you can play with the different settings calibrations just to see whether it changes, including the output and input. This both means that the built-in microphone and your output audio recording can be broken. It's important to try this out first because your problem might be rooted in your built-in microphone instead of the application of Discord. So once you're done with playing with these settings, you can now proceed to your Discord app. And once you're in, as you can see on your interface, right below here under your name, on your right side you can see user settings like so. And when you click it, it shows the different settings, but what we want to go to is the voice and video, and here we can see the different options on calibrations on how to change your audio settings, including the input and output device. You can try out the output and input volume and then check it out using this one. Once you're done, go scroll down below until you reach the noise suppression. Now, this is important because most of the problems regarding mic quality on Discord actually is because of this noise suppression. So by default, it is set to crisp, but you can set it to standard or none. I like to make it none just so I can see if the problem is because of the noise suppression or not. But you can try clicking it and then try playing your audio in your voice record just to see if it changes. And then right down below, you can see another feature, which is quality of service. Now this says enable quality of service high packet priority. Now I like to turn it on because it also enables the higher quality of voice recording on Discord. However, this comes at a price because it also means that your internet connection might be slower because they're trying to do a better service. So you can try turning it on and then testing it out. So once you're done with that, you can also check under a channel that you have created. You can check settings here, but since I don't have any, I can't really play it, but you can try and check it out. It says user settings, and then you can recalibrate it at the same thing that we have done earlier. And then once you're in, you're good to go. If the problem is still not solved, it may be due because of the drive that is in your PC or in your device. You can check your drive. It's more of the internal issue, and once they're done, you're good to go.